Talk to me. Talk to me. Tell me what's going on. Do you want my phone? Sit back up. Who's this? Who's this? Is this your dinosaur? Oh, baby. Why do you try to keep rolling off the bed? It's not going to happen. Do you think you're going somewhere? You're not allowed to roll that way. But apparently you want to. Don't you understand I'm not going to let you do that? And I'm a lot stronger than you, and you're not rolling off the bed. Oh, you're teething. Do your teeth hurt? Come here, sit up like a big boy. Here you go. Yay. Oh no, not my Tiffany's necklace. You can't have that. My golden necklace. You can't have that.